Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So, who protects you more, SEC or Binance? Someone, the ex CEO of Binance, whose name is CZ, is asking you. There's a lot of FUD going on with the SEC that Binance have been breaking the US security rules, and we had the dump to the downside. Now, this is not a big deal, and we're going to talk about it later. So, let's go into the chart. All right, shifting into the chart. People say about bad news and good news and stuff like that. What I can say is, if it was scary as people think it's scary, Bitcoin could have been down to $0. Okay, if you are having bad news and you're just having a very normal little bit of a dump here, what's the big deal? And anyways, Coinbase had a tweet that they're going to be looking at all this, SEC stuff into the court. People got a little bit more bearish, and yesterday's video was failure or fake out. So is Bitcoin failing to go to the upside and potentially drop down and continue to go lower? For a moment I thought we had a bear flag here to go even more lower, but this was a retest back and you push all the way to the upside. So here we go. Now you do have Bitcoin here, and you're moving down and down and down, and the falling wedge is still maintained. Okay, the falling wedge is really maintained. You do have a falling wedge right here. Do not ignore the fact that this is a falling wedge. Okay, and for me personally, Bitcoin is looking kind of good now, but what's really weird is that the altcoins are messed up a little bit, and I'm going to talk about the altcoins a little bit. And Bitcoin itself hasn't done enough to start to go to the upside. But if this is your fake out, then the main direction of Bitcoin is to actually come above here, and your next target is going to be $30,800. Okay, that's where I suppose yesterday was clear. You broke down, you need a retest. If you could have been rejected at the retest, that would be low. So I will even say that Bitcoin still has never touched 24,850, and this is the dead end for me. Okay, if 24,850 is touched and you close below here, that's when you might be dumping all the way down to $18,000. I don't see anything other than that. Now, when we talk about altcoins, let's get Jasmy first in the list. Now, Jasmy, unfortunately, is losing one support that I didn't want to see get lost. So you do have support here, support there, support, and a breakdown, and it seems like the retest is actually failing at the moment. So if you look at it, you went back up, and you do have a little bit of a chance. I do think if you come above here like this, then the retest is going to be successful. But if you're going to be ignored and you never break this bearish candle here, because keep in mind these are two bearish candles and they can start to move even lower. SHIB, okay, let's go into SHIB, something that I am personally trading and stuff. But if you look at SHIB, you do have this trend line, one touch, second touch, support here, support there, which has finally been lost. Okay, so if I do look at things right now, it seems like Bitcoin can actually end up correcting down. So if I do go back to the Bitcoin chart, you can already see that, yeah, you did actually pump back up, but you're not breaking above here. And it's important to break above here and go to the upside. This is a trend line that must be broken, and you do have a technical target all the way up to maybe $31,000. So keep an eye on that. Let's see if we can break out, and let's hope that it doesn't come down and take 24,800, because you're going to be dumping all the way really badly to the downside. So that's it for this update on Bitcoin. Just a quick one, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.